Topic is main topic public speaking and confidence building. There are some subparts of this topic. There are some topics. First topic is how to overcome stress, fright and speak confidently. This topic we have learned before this video. Our new topic is the power of body language in public speaking. Okay, let's start from here. Language in public speaking. Body language is a powerful tool in public speaking. It can either enhance your message or distract your audience. Great speakers use body language to connect with their audience, build credibility, and deliver their message with impact. In this guide, we will explore how to use body language effectively to improve public speaking skills, the importance of body language in public speaking. Studies how that over 50% of communication is non-verbal. Your gesture, facial expression, posture, and eye contact influence how your audience perceives your message. Confidence and authority. Good posture and gestures make you appear strong and knowledgeable. Engagement and connection. Eye contact and expressive movement keep the audience interested. Clarity and emphasis, hand gestures and facial expressions help reinforce key points. Now let's break down different aspects of body language and how to use them effectively. Posture stand with confidence. Your posture sets the tone before you even speak. Stand tall. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. This exudes confidence. Even weight distribution. Stand with feet, shoulders width apart for balance and stability. Avoid shifting too much. Swaying or passing nervously distracts your audience. Common mistakes. Slouching makes you look insecure. Crossing arms appears defensive or closed off. Leaning too much on one side can look casual and unsure. These are some common mistakes we have followed when we are not stands confidently. Eye contact build a connection. Eye contact makes your speech feel personal and engaging. Scan the audience, look at different sections of the room instead of stare, staring at one spot. Hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds, then shift to another person or section. Engage multiple people. This makes everyone feel included. Common mistakes we have followed. Avoiding eye contact makes you seem nervous and untrustworthy. Staring, staring too intensely can feel uncomfortable for your audience. Reading from slides or notes too much reduce engagement. Hand gestures reinforce your message. Your hand help emphasize point, clarify ideas and keep the audience engaged. Use open gesture, hands open, facial upward to show honest and confident. Match gestures and words. Use gesture naturally to illustrate points, counting on fingers for list. Keep movement controlled. Overuse of gestures can be distracting. Best hand gestures for public speaking. Number gestures shows number with fingers while listing points. Directional gesture. Point or gesture to indicate contrast. Left for past, right for future. Emphasizing gestures. Small movement for casual movement, big gestures for key ideas. Common mistakes. Overusing gestures can make you look nervous. Keeping hands in pocket looks unprofessional. Fidgeting distracts the audience. Facial expression shows emotion. Your facial expressions should match your words and emotions. Smile naturally. A friendly smile builds warmth and engagement. Use expansive eyebrow- eyebrows. Raised eyebrows shows enthusiasm, while furrowed brows express seriousness. Match emotions with words. If discussing an exciting topic, look excited. Common mistakes. A blank face makes you seem uninterested. Over exaggerated expressions can feel fake or forced. Nervous laughter reduces creativity. Movement use the stage effectively. How you move on stage influences your presence and engagement. Move with purpose. Step forward when making an important point. Use the strategically. Move slightly to different sections to engage everyone. Pause before moving. Don't wander aimlessly. Common mistakes. Passing too much can seem nervous. Standing still the entire time can feel rigid or robotic. Turning your back to the audience breaks engagement. Proximity and personal space. Your use of space affects how people feel about your speech. A step closer to emphasize a point creates a sense of intimacy. Step back to give time for reflections helps audience absorb key ideas. Common mistakes. Standing too far creates a disconnect. Invading personal space can make people uncomfortable. The role of breathing and voice. The role of breathing and voice. Your voice is part of your body language too. Breathe deeply, help with voice control and reduces nervousness. Control your pace, don't rush, pause straightly. Vary your tone, avoid monotone speaking to maintain interest. Final tips for mastering body language. Record yourself. Watch how use gesture and expressions. Practice in front of mirror. Helps building awareness of body language. Get feedback. Ask a friend to observe and critique. Watch great speakers. Learn from TED talks and professional speakers. Conclusion. Mastering body language is essential for powerful public speaking. By using confident posture, eye contact, gesture, facial expression, and purposeful movement, you can make a strong impact on your audience. Okay, thank you guys.